All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to a dinosaurs Happy Meal lot unboxing. This is from these were originally from 1992, and obviously the Walt Disney Company and McDonald's. They're kind of cool and everything. We're not gonna open Fran Sinclair because she's right here, so she does this. She dances, yeah, jiggle, wiggle, 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 babe, yeah. Charlene Sinclair, another one we're not gonna open because she's right here, and she does that. Yeah. Um, Earl Sinclair, which is another one I guess we're not opening because he's right here. Yeah, he does that. And then yet another one I guess we're not opening. Baby Sinclair. Because Baby Sinclair is right here. And he says, not the mama, 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 not the mama. But we will open up Grandma Ethel. So here we go. That's pretty cool. And the grandma. That's cool. Oh, her ass wiggles with her feet. That's cool. All right. So that's the whole set there. And yeah. 1, 2, 3. He's got Spike in the ass. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.